guys, Assalamu alaikum. I am Shamila and you're watching Shami's Kitchen. It's almost Eid and I couldn't do without sharing this easy Eid dessert sheer khurma, that too in just 15 minutes. So let's start making this rich and creamy dessert sheer khurma. Heat 1 tablespoon ghee in a pan. Add ½ inch cinnamon, 2 cloves and 1 cardamom. Add ½ liter full fat milk. Mix well. Goes in 2 tablespoon unsweetened khoya. Give this a very nice mix and bring it to boil. Now crush the roasted sevaiya and set this aside. Once milk comes to boil, add the sevaiya. Stir often in between. And now cook this for 2 minutes on medium-high heat. And next goes in ½ cup sugar, adjust as per your taste. Mix well and cook this for a minute. And to this I am adding some chopped almonds and some chopped pistachios. You can also add some chopped dates. Give this a very nice mix and cook this for a minute and then switch off the flame. And now transfer this sheer khurma in a serving bowl. Garnish with some finely chopped almonds, pistachios and silver sheet on top and serve immediately. This dish is generally served warm but I like to eat mine chilled. Sheer khurma stays good in the refrigerator for almost 2 to 3 days. Do not leave it outside for more than 8 hours as it's a delicate dessert. So guys, try this easy sheer khurma recipe in just 15 minutes and let me know how it turned out for you. And follow us for more short recipes and updates on our Instagram page shamis.kitchen, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.